Have you ever wondered why we say a cat, but an apple? Let me tell you a little secret. A is very friendly. He loves to hang out with consonant sounds like a dog, a ball, a unicorn. Wait. Well, more on that in a minute. But N, she's a bit shy and only goes to parties where vowels are the first sound, like an elephant, an igloo, or an orange, and an hour. E plus consonant sound. So a b banana, a chair, but also a unicorn. Now we know that U is considered to be a vowel, but when it starts a word, most of the times it sounds like U, so it sounds like consonant. N plus vowel sound. N, a apple, N, o orange, but also an hour. Now we know that H is a consonant, but in the word hour, it's silent, so we only hear the second letter, O. So hour. That means we have to remember that it's the sound, not just the letter. So E goes with a consonant sound and N goes with a vowel sound. Now let's play. Is it E or an airplane? You have 5 seconds. Now you know the secret of E and N. So what about you? Are you team friendly E or shy N? Let me know in the comments, and in the meantime, check out the worksheet I have for you in the description. It's completely free. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe, and also share with your friends. I will see you in the next one.